Hi everyone, welcome to very next video. In previous video we have created update API. Now we are going to create catalyst API. Let's start from coding. Here we have created our controller. Now we will write our router of catalyst API. Let's start from user router get. Here we will define our routes slash here async. We'll define our method catalyst, and in our method we will pass search query, ascending descending order, order direction, page size, like this thing. Let's start by creating search query. Should be a string value, and we will pass an empty value in it. Second one would be order by, in which order direction we will pass in it. It would be string 2, and here we will pass on the base of which direction we will pass. Suppose we are taking name here. Next one would be order direction, mean ascending order, descending order, order we are going to use. Order direction should also be a string, and here we will pass ascending. Next one we will take our page size. It would be integer format int, and here we will pass query which we will import from FastAPI. We'll pass default value should be 1, and it should be greater than equal to 1. Then we will pass size here. It should also our integer format, and we will pass query here also. Its default value should be minimum 50, and we will pass here greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 100. We pass our query parameters. Now we will define our try except methods. In try method we will pass all these query parameters in one params. We will make a dictionary. In params we will write search query. Its value should be similarly order by, and its value should be order by. Next one would be order direction. And here we will take its value. Next one would be page, and here we will take page, and last one is size. Value is plus. Now our params is almost completed. Now we will write our function response update self dot user manager dot get list, and we will pass our params in it. This function will return a response, which we will return as a response 200 response. Here we will pass it and we will return simple this response in 200. And in exception we will copy this function exception and we will write this in exception. Now our controller is almost completed. We will write our manager, user manager. Here let's start a function, define, we will write this in async method, define get list, and here we will use self and parents. We will use skip here, params page, here we will also check our order direction, set it because we have to give value -1 and 1 for ascending and -1 for descending. If params into order direction is equal to ascending, else we will pass here -1. We will pass order directions params order direction equal to order direction. Similarly, we'll pass skip. Now we will call our database function. Response is equal to await self dot user database dot get list, and here we will pass our params. Simply we will return now this. Now our manager is almost completed. We will add page size here and later. Now we are going to write our database file. Let's start from writing a function from here. Use async, define get list. We will pass self and params in it. Now we will save our total atom in empty list, and from here we are going to write our cursor self dot user collection dot update dot find. It would be find only, and in find we will use from name because we are going to use regex in it. Params search query. Otherwise options should be equal to 1. We have written regex for search query. Now we are going to write if condition for if params into search query is equal to empty else we will pass simple empty dictionary here in it. After that we will pass dot sort method. In sorting we will use params order directions. Order by next would be order direction params into order direction. After order direction we will use skip, and in skip we will use params and skip, and we will use limit in it, and here we will give params and to size. Now our cursor almost completed. Now we are going to define async function. Sync for loop document and cursor, and from here we will return up document. We will append in total atoms dot append our document, and after appending we will return our total atom. Before appending we will convert our underscore id to id. It is str and underscore, and we will delete from document. Now our database almost completed. I think this comma is creating error. It should be inside this. Now our database function is also completed, and here is our manager function. also completed, and our controller know it's done, and our application working fine. Now let's check on it. Now our get list API completed. Try it out. Default value, search query, order by order direction, page size, query parameter also working fine, and our default value also coming. We will run this, and there is error. Let's run the code, and we find 500 error, tunnel server error. It's because of order direction in manager file. Here in order direction, oh sorry, we have write out of spelling order, should be there. Now we will run it again. It's again giving us internal server error. Now in database file, user database, search query, let's go towards database, and if params search query. What is issue in search query? I think it's spelling mistake, search query. Now our database is fine. Now run the code again. Now our data is coming. We have created data that's returning. Now we have created this, and we get this in list. Now our get list API is completed. In next video we are going to create fully CRUD in one video, and after that we will go towards Stripe integration and PayPal integration and other features that would be advanced, like fillable PDF printing and other things. Thank you.